We're diving into the world of 20 must-have kitchen tools. These smart solutions are here to make your time in the kitchen a breeze. From cutting-edge gadgets to timeless classics, we've curated a list that covers it all. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, these tools are game changers. And the best part, we've got all the links in the description below straight from AliExpress. So if you see something you love, be sure to check out those links for more details. But wait, before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and kitchen adventures. First up, we have the Ninja Kitchen Appliances 72 Oz Blender and Food Processor. This powerhouse boasts a 1200-watt motor base, making it a force to be reckoned with. It effortlessly breaks down whole fruits, veggies, and even ice. Let's blend up some kitchen magic. Next on our list is the Weber Electric Meat Mincer Chopper. With a capacity of 122 kg per hour to 250 kg per hour, this heavy-duty food processor is a game changer in any commercial kitchen, perfect for grinding meat with precision and ease. Now let's talk bread. The Elite Gourmet 2LB programmable bread maker machine is a must-have for any home baker. With a capacity of 1200 gram and a voltage of 120 volt, it's your go-to appliance for fresh, homemade bread. Indulge your sweet tooth with the Weber Electric Chocolate Tempering Machine. With 2 to 3 tanks, this machine is a chocolate lover's dream, perfect for creating a cascading flow of melted chocolate for your favorite treats. Next, we have the Weber Hamburger Press. This commercial cast iron manual round mat shaping kitchen machine is ideal for home chefs who love crafting the perfect burger. Say goodbye to uneven patties. The Weber Multifunctional Vacuum Sealer Machine. This versatile appliance is a game changer for food storage. With both automatic and manual air sealing systems, it's perfect for preserving both dry and moist foods. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to freshness. Up next, we have a powerhouse in a compact size, the Mini Rice Cooker. Don't let its small footprint fool you. This little wonder is a multi-function single electric rice cooker. Whether you're cooking rice, making porridge, or whipping up soup, it's a must-have in any household kitchen. For all the health enthusiasts out there, check out the Food Dehydrator Machine. With a touchscreen and electric multi-tire preserver, this machine is perfect for making homemade snacks. From beef, jerky to dried fruits and veggies, it's a black beauty in the kitchen. Time for a bit of fun. Say hello to the popcorn machine with a 2.5 Oz stainless steel kettle and a removable serving tray. Movie nights will never be the same. It's the perfect addition to your kitchen for that ultimate popcorn experience. We have the Weber Commercial Electric Meat Tenderizer. With 450 and 750 watts of power and a stainless steel professional design, it's the key to achieving that perfect tender steak or beef. Fresh meat tenderizing has never been easier. Next on the list, we have the Automatic Electric Dumpling Maker Machine. Imagine forming perfect dumplings in just 1 second. This innovative tool is a game changer for dumpling lovers. Perfect for home kitchens and restaurants alike. It's a must-have for anyone who enjoys the art of dumpling making. Next up, we have a sleek addition to your breakfast routine, the Farberware Touchscreen 4-Slice Toaster. With a stainless steel and black design, this new toaster is not just a breakfast machine. It's a stylish addition to your kitchen. Say hello to perfectly toasted bread every morning. Get ready for a burst of flavor with the Weber Bubble Boba Tea Shaker. This 750 ml commercial milk tea shaking machine is a double cup wonder, perfect for creating your favorite bubble teas, cocktails, and even coffee. It's a beverage and cocktail essential for any home kitchen. For those who love the art of crepe making, we present the Electric Crepe Maker with a cast iron cooking surface and a stainless steel base. This appliance is a kitchen powerhouse. It includes a batter spreader and spatula, making it easy to create delicious crepes at home. Experience the art of brewing with the Japanese-style siphon coffee maker. This tea siphon pot and vacuum coffee maker bring a touch of elegance to your coffee routine. With a glass-type design and the ability to make 3 cups, it's a household pot for coffee enthusiasts. Next on our list is a true marvel for coffee lovers on the go, the portable espresso machine. This unique 2-in-1 travel coffee maker is compatible with both original capsules and compatibles, giving you the flexibility to enjoy your favorite brew wherever you are. With 20 pressure settings and a manual operation mode, it's your perfect travel companion for a coffee fix on the fly. Now let's cool things down with the Vever Commercial Fried Ice Cream Roll Machine. With a 280 watts power, this stainless steel home ice cream porridge maker is a showstopper. The single square pan design allows you to create delicious fried ice cream rolls with ease. It's not just a dessert maker, it's a spectacle in your kitchen. For those who love keeping their dishes warm and ready to serve, we present the Vever Countertop Food Warmer. With 2 or 3 tires and commercial 3D heating, this pizza and pastry warmer is equipped with a temperature knob display, making it an essential kitchen appliance for entertaining guests or keeping your favorite snacks at the perfect temperature. Up next, we have the Hybrew Multiple Capsule Coffee Machine. This hot or cold DG cappuccino maker supports Nespresso, small capsules, easy pods, ground coffee, and more. With a 19-bar pressure system and a 5-in-1 design, it's a versatile addition to your kitchen cafeteria. Say hello to a coffee experience tailored to your preferences. Last but certainly not least, we have the Vever Kebab Slicer. This electric-wired kebab doner knife with adjustable thickness from 0 to 8 mm is a commercial-grade slicer perfect for cutting shawarma, gyro, and roast meats. It's a must-have for anyone who loves to bring the flavors of the street into their kitchen. And that's a wrap for our journey through the top 20 must-have kitchen tools. We hope you enjoyed discovering these smart solutions that are sure to transform your kitchen experience. If you found a new favorite among these fantastic tools, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of our future kitchen adventures and reviews. Links to all the featured products are in the description below, making it super easy for you to explore these kitchen wonders for yourself. Thanks for joining us at Review Palace. Until next time, happy cooking and brewing. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more kitchen inspiration. See you in the next review.